Ho, ho, Nigeria. What is the offense of the Igbo man? The only offense of the Igbo man is working hard to earn a living. The jealousy continues, the destruction of Igbo property. Each new week, new story of demolition in Lagos. As you can see in the video, Lagos state government is demolishing a place called Trinity in Lagos. It's Trinity Market, yes. Those are motor parts sellers in Olodi Apapa, Lagos. That is what is happening. Lagos government is destroying them. According to this guy, some of the goods, they were not given a notice. You can see how sad it is. If you tell people to leave the market, that you're going to demolish it, they will leave the market. But the government, the evil government of Nigeria, which is one of its office in Lagos, is trying to cripple our Igbo people. Say about 2,000 businessmen is losing their properties right there. They brought down everything. You go and pick whatever is yours from the rubbles. This man lost 3 shops. And you know what it means? Somehow, poverty is the next thing. I have warned our people, be careful of Lagos. Meanwhile, since they are Nigerians, Nigerians have the right to reside anywhere and do business. If you're Nigeria, you have a right to reside any part of Nigeria and do business. But this is what we see in Lagos. Each new week, new story. This was on the 1st of February, this 2024. Rather than getting greetings of Happy New Week, rather than greetings of Happy New Week, you get the greetings of disaster. You are greeted with disaster. I don't believe if Lagos government gives them a notice that this market will be demolished, they will still be there. I don't believe so. So what really happened? We are looking into this matter. If Lagos government gives them a notice that this place is going to be demolished, certainly they will live there. The idea is that they are trying to impoverish evil people. They are trying to make them poor. And this current governor is like, he's among the governors that have been in Lagos, this is the one that is championing this hatred. And especially after this 2023 election, where he noticed he was not voted for, where he noticed most of them choose a particular candidate, where they pay tax, and they have the right, and every Nigerian have the right to vote anybody. After the election, it became so much. Look at what the Igbos have lost after the election. And nobody has called this guy to order because he had an opportunity to be governor of a state. Kama will follow you. Kama will visit you. Kama will visit you while you are alive. Kama will visit you. Unless there is a right justification for what you're doing, governor. If not, Kama will visit you, governor. And whoever is behind this, Kama is doing press up for you. I don't want to blame my people on this video, but I wish my people begin to think towards the East in terms of investment. But I don't want to blame them. They have the right to reside anywhere. They have the right as Nigerians. If they are not Nigerians, you give us condition, they can, even if they are not Nigerians, my people can still invest in Lagos. If Lagos allows them to do business, gives them condition. but you don't have the right to be burning their shops. And I believe the market authorities and whoever is involved should take up this. And my people, my Igbo people, I'm able to say, une egozina. Nka kita ama na ejelewe kwa ụfọdụ ejegolu. Une egozi ya. Able to share ebe echi. Imekwa alụkwa ife na une ejegolu. Ndị ba une egozina. Ebe ọwụna azụbụla afịa mbụ etitu une egozina. Une egozikwu na ebe ọwụna. Rent wa. Alụ na-eme n'obodo a. Ezigbote alụ na-eme. Ọhaneze ndị Igbo, ọnụ unu chọrọ igosi na unu nwere ọlụ. Kịta ka unu kwesịrị ịlụ ọlụ unu. Na ọnụ unu nwere ọlụ. Ọhaneze ndị Igbo. Ndị ọzọ na kpọtụrụ ndị gọvanọ anyị na Igbo. Onye na-etikpọ ife a, bụ gọvanọ na-etikpọ ya. Unu sụtụrụ ya, gbani ya na unu ghọtara ife na-eme. Jukene na ya ajụjụ, gịnị ka ọ na-ajụ? Onye na-etitusi ebe ndị be anyị kpọalụ ngwa afịa, jukene na ya ajụjụ. Ka ọ kọwatara anyị ife mere anyị eji na-etirisi afịa. Agwa na ịchọrọ itiri afịa, agwa ndị be anyị ha ebulu afịa ha, iwe kutuo. Ọ bụrụ ebe ha ji ego ha gụlụ ọfụma, agawala ife anyị eji titue. Na mmadụ bụ gọvanọ nweghị right ịbịa titu ụlọ m. Ọ chọgodi tutu ụlọ m, onye m ọgwa m reason. Anal permission, enye m compensation. Imana onwere ife na afọ na Nigeria. It appears as if as a governor you have the right to do anything. The other day, El-Rufai destroyed the house of a former senator. Bulldoze it because governors have immunity. I don't think they have that right. Nobody gives you right to destroy people's property because you are the governor. Let me speak certain things I said in Igbo in English again. Lagos governor should be sued. He should be made to answer. Apart from karma that is waiting for him, he should be made to answer why he's doing all of this. Ọhaneze ndị Igbo, it is time to show who you are. Petitions should be written to the right bodies, even international bodies, on what is happening to Igbo business in Lagos. What is the offense of these people? No, nothing. Just that they invested in a place called Nigeria. I feel so bad. 1st February 2024 in Lagos, Trinity Market, Lagos, the motor pass section, Olodia Papa. God will judge you. Karma is waiting for you. Unless there is a good reason to bring those market down. But even if there is a reason, why wouldn't you allow them to take their goods out of it before demolishing it? And rounding up in the buy, I feel my guano, nothing in home. I'm brought on a Lagos guy in business. We don't nothing in home. I brought Terembe. If no ni na shaleba. Maka ife a na-emezi iwu ka unu tụkọta ka ha mebie. Unu ekwezina unu mmalụ nkuru nwere ike unu na-eme. Dịka nsị bụ na afịa unu agbala ọkụ ma o mebie, hapụ na afịa ma arụgharịrịa unu egosina. Mana ọnụ unu ekwe. Ejegasịana m na ọtụtụ ebe ekwulu okwu gbasara ife a ka mmalụ ife ndị be anyị mere. Mana emechaa ka anyị nụ nke gọọmenti ha na-ekwu. Ka hapụ gịnị ebe a.